I'm keeping adjusting the camera. Sorry, this is the first time I use this kind of camera. And also this is hard. Remember, this should be out. Okay, this is the last step. Okay. Oh, finally. Those should be out, as I mentioned. And after you finish, you have to put this under something heavy all the night, like when I did with this. Over this you can put something heavy so it will not be like this. This size is taller than this, but it is okay. It's okay. This is better. You can make it taller than I did. Okay, now I have this, the same this, but I don't have another ring. Use any kind of glue that you have. I have this from $1 store. It needs time until tomorrow morning, like what happened with me with this. Not immediately, will be very dry. Even after I put this stone, it takes from me many hours. Okay, so I use the first one, I use it left to right, but for this I use right to left. Okay, because we use notebook from in my language right to left, but for this I did it left to right. Okay, I would like to add the A4 papers. I cut each paper to four pieces. You can do it whatever you want, if you like, 2 pieces. So it will be like that. I hope you can see this. Okay, it's kind of design. You can do it whatever you like. And this is good now. If you have any accessories you can put here, or I would like later to paint something on this side. And finally, one on the left, one on the right.